take off.
Okay, got the hood open and the engine compartment looks pretty nice. We've got looks like a little over 1-year-old battery. The engine compartment looks pretty clean. Looks like Mormon's Towing had their card under the hood there. First indications so far, everything looks pretty good shape as far as the engine compartment. I'm gonna have to come back again. It's like the antifreeze reservoir has got what it's supposed to have in it, everything else. So given that, I'm gonna have to shut this off again, check the oil, and we'll see if this will start up. Okay, so the engine oil was right on the money. This does have tilt steering on it, so I dropped that down. I don't know, the battery sound a little low when it's going through its cycles. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Took right off. It sounds like a typical GM Chevy 4-cylinder. I don't hear anything banging around, clattering, anything like that. Let's see. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. 73,811 miles. So I'm going to back this off the trailer and give it another look over. Interior needs cleaned up a little bit. It's got a little bit of debris left in it from whoever owned it before. Doesn't appear that's been smoked in. Doesn't smell like it. So far, I'm giving it a thumbs up. So again, I'm gonna have to leave you guys while I back this off the trailer. So more to come. Okay, first issue, there's tape on this side for the power window. And what is wrong is what I figured would be wrong. Switch is either bad or something. More than likely the switch. I've got another vehicle. It's got some debris down in it. Maybe I can pop that off there and just clean it out and clean up the switch, get it going again. Anyway, it goes down, but it doesn't want to come back up. Pretty easy fix. Car's still running. Got almost a little under 3/4 of a tank of gas in it. I don't know how long these cars sit after they've been, taken to Copart, but anyway, so far so good. Just minor. All right, well, we'll go out and pop the hood again. Oh, we'll do this first. We'll see what happens. Not really a great day. Okay. Sounds like we might have a mixer door acting up. So, okay. That might not be too bad of a deal. Just making a little popping sound. Okay, well, a couple of issues so far. Nice warm air coming out. We're in the So that definitely is going to need some attention. Find out what's going on with that. Okay, well, again, so far so good. Not real disappointed. It's got really good brakes on it. It's a typical Chevrolet 4-cylinder motor. So, nothing real exciting about that. Alright, well, I'm going to get out and take a look around the rest of the car again. Got to take this rental trailer back. So, probably wrap things up here a few minutes on this part of it. And, you know, take it from there.
Take off.